This is a quick guide for businesses to prepare for transitioning to the new customs platform from HMRC, that is Customs Declaration Service, or CDS. Make sure you have an economic operator registration and identification number. If you don't have an EORI number, you'll need to register one before moving to CDS. You can register for an EORI number on gov.uk. To submit your declarations, you will need access to the Customs Declaration Service. You will require a Government Gateway user ID and password to access the platform. You can ask an intermediary or an authorized software provider to complete and submit your declarations. Customs Declarations is a UK-based software company that helps importers and exporters manage their customs declarations via an intuitive and integrated online platform. The Customs Declarations platform has been designed and developed in close coordination and support from HMRC. The Trade Address Rehearsal Service is an optional test platform designed to help businesses prepare for the live Customs Declaration Service. If you have engaged an authorized software, you can trial submitting the declarations in a simulated, production-like environment before using the live service. Before you start using the new service, you will need to familiarize yourself with the changes which have already been made to the import and export tariff tool. To learn more about our solution, please visit customs-declarations.uk. Thank you.